I need every penny. I'm cheap. Yep, so I got the S1000 out tonight. About to go meet up with a couple of guys, and we're gonna cruise over to a car meet. It's actually supposed to be, one of the more prominently lit car meets in Virginia. Well, in Richmond, should I say. Got the S1K outside. Cleaned her up a little bit. Just a little bit. But yeah, we about to head over there right now. Supposed to meet up at 7:15. So I'm right on time right now. We're just gonna make sure there ain't no lawmen. Make sure there ain't no lawmen out here. You know, wheelies on the S1000 are always pretty fun. I don't know what Buddy just said. I don't know what Buddy just said. I have no clue what Buddy just said. Damn, I could have went that way. Let's see, let's see. Am I gonna be the first one here at 7:12? Am I gonna be the one that's on time? When I'm never on time. I am literally never on time. So it'll be interesting. That was a nice GT. Am I the first one? Of course I'm the first one. When I want to be on time, I end up being the first one. Why am I not surprised? I hear a bike. Oh, it's David. And that boy made it.
Oh, shit.
That boy made it on time. We back to back. What's up, man? Bruh.
No, there's no way this is not answering.
I love it, bro.
Oh.
Man, you gotta love the all black builds, bro. The all black builds, just do it, man. Just linked up with the guys. They left me over here. I lost my earring. That kind of got me tight. I lost my earring, but what can I do about it, right? Part of owning a liter bike. I think these should save gas, but they definitely don't. Ride with a bunch of knuckleheads, man. This man got all the swag in the world. No, look at your bike. Hold on, I forgot. I almost forgot. I almost forgot that boy got the custom carbon on here today. He just added this, so he waiting. He won't even gonna ride today because he was like, my front fender ain't come, so he wasn't even about to ride. How much? 240? Hey, it costs to be the boss, my boy. Yes, sir. This man over here in the cut. You ready to ride, man? I'm ready to smoke you today. I'm ready to smoke you. I'm ready to smoke your boy.
Strap it down, baby. I'll strap it down. You want me to strap it down?
The Balencis? Yeah. Nigga riding in socks. I literally can't see nothing. Traffic in Richmond, Virginia on a Friday or Saturday night is absolutely... You might as well be driving in New York. You might as well be driving in New York. The way Richmond drivers ride on the weekend, it's unbelievable. And then the amount of drunk drivers that are out here around this time, sheesh, man. And it's funny because, you know, you can imagine like a lot of people drink and drive in New York. But when you come to Richmond, they drink and drive without already knowing how to drive. And it just makes for the most hazardous conditions while riding on these streets. And they have the police drawn out. They really have the police drawn out tonight just for this car meet. It's funny because when they post about local meets, you know, in Richmond, the police know. It's guys that are officers that are in the communities that they post these meets in. So they know before most of everybody else knows. And now they have the police drawn out tonight, I guess monitoring who's doing what. That shit lit, man. Yo, I ain't got time for the paperwork, my boy. Come on, Cam. I don't know. Hey, go to cookout. The homies just all ended up going home, so I'm gonna just finish this video off right here. I guess we could say that the meet was a success. Pause. I guess we could say that the car meet was a success. And you know. So I'm gonna just head back to the crib, ride nice and cool, calm and collected. And that's gonna be that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the content. There's still more bikes. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.